Right, so day 3 of the vlog, as you just see here. Just trying to upload day 1, but the internet's too crap here. Today we're probably going to head into Instow. If you see through the window. Close up. Of course they're going to block the donkey though. There he is. I read on the thingy, Nan. It did say there is 2 donkeys. I don't know where the other one's hiding then. Oh, right. Check back up when we're in Instow. I was recording, just look at me recording. Look at me stroking the pig.
There's Aiden and his half brother. He's adopted one. Yeah.
God, it's so tough it is.
He ate you for breakfast this morning. By the way, Piggy. He did, he had bacon.
Chocolate.
And where's the chickens? He had chicken sausages.
Hey mate. Why don't you come in and stroke him? Or her? Well, when we're back.
We're going out. Nanny gummy bear eating a traditional Cornish pasty. Shame you can't be here to eat it with me.
An idiot. No, he's been ridiculous. One last one. Ready? Good boy. So, we're here in Instow. We've got Appledore just behind. Doing the flogging. I haven't flogged much because it's idiot. The last one now. Good boy. There you go. A beautiful little village or seaside coast town. And Appledore looks beautiful itself. Across the water. Yeah, probably won't get much recorded out of this when I've got him wanting me to throw the ball every time. Shush! Good boy. Look, last one. Ready? Steady. Bum. Denlo. He's had his ball nabbed twice now because he keeps dropping it and someone comes and picks it up. Another dog. And yeah, it's very colourful place this is. I've got some B-roll footage anyway overlap. Probably talk about it. Yeah. Nice huge beach. And it's not too cold. Whew. Here we go. Cafe boy. Looks phenomenal. If we didn't have the dogs to go there. Beer garden, whole shebang. Yeah, a lot of dog walkers here. I think North Devon is for dog walkers. As you see, it's just past Bideford. The Bideford Bridge, right there. Anyway, I'll probably be done for this section. Ain't too much to show unless you're walking on the pavements and looking at the houses and some of the local shops, but when you've got a dog on the lead, it's impossible. Right, so Appledore, what I pointed to earlier, we've just stopped off there. My nan's dying for a stick of rock, so she's going to grab that. Then we're going to head back, but I thought I'd just update you guys because this is quite a cool place. I can't go out now, I've got the dogs behind, but you know, big old cemetery up there and that. Turn that on properly. Heck, I'm nearly ready, cemetery then. So yeah, see what else I get up to today. Just probably be another walk or something. Yeah, catch you guys a bit. Right, that's my day 2 of editing done. Got the grand tour on. Roast dinner over there, nearly done. About to get that. Feed my fat face, and tomorrow, hopefully we wake up early enough, feed some of the animals here. As you've seen, already stroked the pig, so I'll feed the pig, and I'm about to feed myself, which is a pig.
Pissed off, I ain't got no mint sauce.